Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase portfolio performance with Wealthfront, detailed guide step by step clearly. To increase portfolio performance with Wealthfront, start by signing up for an account on their website. Once you've created your account, complete the onboarding questionnaire. This questionnaire will assess your investment goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. After submitting the questionnaire, Wealthfront will generate a personalized investment strategy. Next, review the proposed investment strategy carefully. Take note of the asset allocation suggested based on your profile. Once satisfied, proceed to fund your account to begin investing. Wealthfront allows you to link your bank account for seamless transfers. As funds are deposited, Wealthfront will automatically invest them according to your plan. Monitor your investment performance using the Wealthfront dashboard. This dashboard provides real-time updates on your portfolio's performance. Consider enabling auto-rebalancing to maintain your target asset allocation. Wealthfront rebalances your portfolio automatically as market conditions change. Review tax loss harvesting options provided by Wealthfront if applicable. This feature can help to minimize your tax liabilities on investment gains. Stay informed by regularly checking Wealthfront's market insights and updates. Adjust your investment strategy if your financial goals or risk tolerance change over time. Finally, be patient and maintain a long-term perspective for optimal results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.